Hello everyone. Today we start this class from important term, that is cost price of an article include other expenses like transportation, brokerage, etc. Then we explain the term through an example. That what is example? Ram bought a toy, bought a bought a car, bought a car for rupees 100. For rupees 100. 100 and spent rupees 50. Spent rupees 50 for its transportation. For this transportation. Then Ram bought a car for rupees 100 and spent rupees 50 for its transportation. Then here it is very important to calculation of cost price of car. Cost price of a car. So what is the cost price of a car? Then CP of car is equal to 100 plus 50 is equal to rupees 150. Rupees 150 is a toy car. Rupees 150. Then here 100 is purchase price. Purchase price and 50 is transportation expenses. Transportation expenses. Any types of expenses relates with goods at the time of purchase. It must be included in CP. In CP, the cost price must be included in cost price. Then we know about some formulas which are very essential in profit loss. Formula SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP minus loss. We explain through an example. Ram bought a goods for rupees 500 and sold it at 10% profit. 10% profit. Then find SP. Then find SP. Where CP and profit percentage are given and asked to find the SP. In this type of question we solve in this way. Answer. First of all, we write the CP of goods. CP of goods is equal to rupees 500. Rupees 500. Next, we calculate the profit amount. Then percentage of profit or loss. Percentage of a profit or loss always calculated on CP. Always calculated on a CP. Percentage of profit or loss always calculated on a CP. Then the profit is equal to 10% of CP. 10% of a CP. Because percentage of profit or loss always calculated on a CP. then 10% of 500. 10% of 500 is equal to 10 by 100 into 500. 10 by 100 is equal to 500 rupees 50. Rupees 50. Here the profit is rupees 50 and the CP of goods is 500. Then how to find the SP? How to find the selling price of goods? Here we put this formula. SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Then SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP plus profit. Then CP is equal to rupees 100. Here CP. CP is equal to 500 plus profit is equal to rupees 50. Then SP is equal to rupees 550. SP is equal to 550. In this way, we calculate the selling price of goods where the CP of goods and profit percentage also available. Next, in case of a loss, how to find out the SP of a goods? Ram bought a goods for rupees 500 and sold it at 5% loss. 5% loss. Then find SP. Similarly, CP of goods. CP of goods is equal to rupees 500. Next we calculate the loss amount. Then loss is equal to, here loss is 5%. Then 5% of CP. 5% of CP because percentage of loss or profit always calculated on cost price. So 5% of 500. 5% of 500. Then 5 by 100 into 500. Then rupees 25. Rupees 25. Here the loss is rupees 25. If Ram bought a goods rupees 500 and after sold it pays the loss amount is rupees 25. Then how to find out the selling price? Of goods? Here we put this formula. SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP minus loss. Then CP is equal to rupees 500 minus 25 is equal to 475. Then selling price of goods is equal to rupees 475. In this way, we calculate the selling price of a goods where cost price of goods and profit or loss percentage of goods are available in question. Next formula. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. And the loss is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Where we put this formula? Now where? In which question? In which question SP of goods and profit or loss percentage are given and asked to find the CP. CP of goods. CP of goods. In this case, we put this formula to find out the CP. Now where SP of goods and profit or loss percentage are also given and asked to find the CP of goods. Find the CP of goods. We prove this through an example. Or we explain this term through an example. Let's a chair was sold at rupees 63, making profit of a 5%. Then find CP. Answer. First of all, SP of chair is equal to rupees 63 and profit percentage is equal to 5%. Now here SP and profit percentage are given, so we put this formula to find out the CP. Then CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Then is equal to SP here 63 into 100 divided by 100 plus 5 because profit percentage here 5%. Then 63 into 100 divided by 105 divide rupees 60. Then here CP is rupees 60. First of all, in question provide SP of a chair is equal to rupees 63. SP refers to selling price. Selling price of a chair is equal to rupees 63 and profit in selling, it must be get a profit of a 5%. Get a profit of a 5%. In such case, how to find CP? That is the cost price of chair. In this formula, through this formula, we find the CP of chair. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage is equal to 63 into 100 divided by 100 plus 5 is equal to rupees 60. Then here CP of chair is equal to rupees 60. In alternative method of find the CP. SP is equal to rupees 63. Profit percentage is equal to 5%. Then without applying this formula, how to find out the CP? We know now profit percentage or loss percentage always calculated on CP because here SP is available, so we cannot calculate the profit amount on the CP. On the SP. Then how to find the CP? First of all, let the CP of chair is equal to rupees 100. Then profit is equal to 5% of 100. 5% of 100, then 5 by 100 into 100 rupees 5. Rupees 5. Profit is rupees 5. Then SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP plus profit is equal to rupees 100 plus 5 is equal to rupees 105. Rupees 105. Here SP is 105. Then CP is 100. CP is 100. Through this term, we find the CP. Then when SP is rupees 105, then CP is rupees 100. Then when SP is rupees 1, then CP is rupees 100 divided by 105. 100 divided by 105. Then when SP is rupees 63, SP is rupees 63, then CP is equal to 100 divided by 105 into 63. Into 63. Then is equal to rupees 60. Rupees 60. In this way, we find the CP is equal to rupees 60. It is the alternative method of find out the CP. Find out the CP when SP and profit percentage are given without applying this formula. Without applying this formula. Then in case of loss, how to calculate the CP? Sorry, CP. How to calculate the CP? Ram sold an article for rupees 120 and get 10% loss. 10% loss. Then find CP. In case of loss, we put this formula. Then CP is equal to here SP is 120. Here SP is equal to 120 and loss percentage is equal to 10%. Loss percentage 10%. Then CP is equal to SP into 100 minus 100 minus loss percentage. 100 minus loss percentage. Here SP is 120 into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Here loss percentage is 10%. 10. Then 120 into 100 divided by 90. Divided by 90. 30. 40. 8, 3, 4, then 400 by 3, then 400 by 3 rupees. Then here is the CP is the 400 by 3 rupees, that is 31. After 1.34. After 1.34. Here it is the problem where loss is given, loss percentage and SP is given, and find out the CP. Then today's formula first is SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP plus profit. Then SP is equal to CP minus loss, and CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by CP plus 100 plus profit percentage. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. It is in case of a profit, it is in case of a loss. In case of a loss, all are the formula which are very essential in profit or loss. Thank you.